Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a quick overview of your website. So I'm on a home page, and I love the quality images. It tells me that you are selling obviously gift accessories. I would think about picking a little bit more specific image that shows your product because it doesn't really show me what you are selling. It's just a sales lady with a customer, and just doesn't tell me or doesn't give an idea to your customers what type of products to expect, which can definitely help you improve your conversion rate. Also, there's no call to action, there's no button prompting people to click, there's no button linked into your shop page. The top navigation, definitely home is good, but after home, make sure to feature a shop link. For example, instead of home decor gifts, you can add shop as a second link because this position gets the most attention, this position gets the most clicks, so most likely to help you improve your conversion rate. There is no additional content on the website. There is no featured products, featured collection. So adding this can definitely help you improve your SEO and sales. And SEO because of the time spent on the website and obviously how many pages people click on your website. So that definitely can help you. There's no shipping policy, add unique refund policy because it mentions things that are, you're not selling, such as health and personal care items. It's also great for SEO to have unique content. The images are a little blurry, so I recommend adding featuring like large files for those kind of featured images. The collection page looks great, which is nice. The product page, that's a good representation how the product behaves, so that's good. It's nice. The styling of the product description is like a little bit all over the place. You start the paragraph here. There's no point adding indent for paragraphs because you can start from the same line. And obviously the font and the color are different styles. Add related products as well, and and yeah, so far definitely nice. This blog, I'm not sure if it's like a random or default, but it features something that you're not selling, and I'm not sure how people should interact with it because it's not linked to a product. There is no internal links or anything like that. So this is like a basic overview. Also, your URL is girlsonly.info and your website name is Giftery. So there's no consistency. Make sure to have the same URL as the website name. I hope you found it useful. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.